Weekend breakfasts aren't complete without some good pancakes. Today, let's make these absolutely amazing buttermilk banana pancakes using Teff flour. Teff is the latest superfood in town. It is high in calcium, protein, and fibers. Google Teff and you can find a ton of information about this tiniest grain in the world, and it is naturally gluten-free. To prepare our vegan pancakes, let's start by making flax eggs. To 1/4 cup of hot water, add a tablespoon of flax meal, stir it well and set it aside to cool. This will provide some extra nutrition and also helps with binding since we are not using any actual eggs here. To make the buttermilk, to 1/2 cup of any plant-based milk, add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I have used soy milk here. You can see the milk has already started to curdle. Now to make the batter, to a blender add 1/2 cup of Teff flour. I am using brown Teff flour from Bob's Red Mill. To this add the flax meal mix, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1 whole fully ripe banana, 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This little bit of baking soda will react with the acidic buttermilk and make the pancakes light and fluffy. And for some extra flavor, grate the zest from an organic orange. Just a pinch of zest would be enough. Now blend all the ingredients together into a smooth batter. Pour the batter to a hot non-stick pan and cook on medium heat for about a minute, covered with a lid. Dab some coconut oil to the edges and flip carefully to cook the other side for about 30 seconds. You should get about 6 medium-sized pancakes. These pancakes have a chocolatey brown color from the Teff flour. It has a nutty taste from the Teff and sweetness from the bananas. Very light and delightful. Enjoy it with some fresh fruits and maple syrup. If you like these pancakes, don't forget to subscribe. All the ingredients are listed in the description box below. Thanks for watching and see you again with another video on Feast on Gluten-Free.